Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix skate game crashing, not launching, not loading, unable to launch, won't work, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. First method is to restart PC as and Steam also. So for that, first you need to go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system, and after restarting, launch Steam and then try to play the game and see if it's working. If not, next solution is to modify launch option. So you need to type -dx11 and then check, or type -dx12 and then check. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if it's working or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating your drivers, now check if the problem is resolved. NVIDIA and AMD users, just go through the link that I have provided in the description and update your graphics card from there, and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next is to disable in-game overlay. So for that, Steam users, go to Steam, now click on Steam option over here, then go to settings. After that, go below and click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply need to click on it to disable it, and after that try to play the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on installed files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, wait for some time and again try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library, now click on manage, then click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here you have to click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. Then try to launch the game and see if it is working. If not, right click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, and then click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, you simply deselect all these three, run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program in compatibility mode for disable all the tick mark, and then click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings, and now go below and search for your game if it's listed over here. Let me search for the game. Yes, it's been listed over here. In your case, if it's not listed, you can go to allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where it has been installed and select your game to add to the list. After adding it, select make both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. In that condition, you are suggested to disable the antivirus program from your PC, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to close other background processes. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you need to search for those apps which is of no use and running in the background. So after selecting it, right click on it, click on end a task, and this will close the app from the background. After that, check if you can play the game. Next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Under now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. Now go below, click on downloads, and then go below, and here you need to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. So after clearing the cache on Steam, now try to launch the game and see if it is working. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays the vital. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even you can lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issues while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, you have to go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates, and you will check if there is any update. If yes, then update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and see if you can play it. Next is to stop overclock situation settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking on CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue, and hopefully you can try to play the game and check if it's working now. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphic settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app, and then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Now click on Steam, then click on Steam apps, then common, then here you can find the game application. Select the game application and click on add. So after adding it, now find where it has been listed here, click on the arrow icon. Now under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After doing this, now launch the game and see if it is working. If not, next solution is to increase virtual memory settings. So for that, here is the what are the size you need to type. So for that, I will show you how to do it. You just go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. After that, under advanced, you need to click on settings option over here, then click on advanced, then click on change. Then here you need to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size, and in the initial size you need to type 12288, and in the maximum size you need to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After doing this, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. You just need to copy it and paste it in your browser, and after that, download and install the Visual C++ files. Once done, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if it can play it without any problem. So after copying it, it opens. Now from here you need to select and download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install it, and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and now again click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. After removing, restart your system once. Once your system restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Skate game on your PC. Once done, click on the play button and then check if you can play it without any further problem. So these are a few suggested solutions to fix Skate game crashing, not launching, not loading, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.